Here are a couple of very handy commands when you're working with R and find that you need a function that you have read about or have seen used in a library and realize that you haven't installed the package. Or if you have packages that you no longer need, let's start with removing a package. So I'm going to get rid of the practical math package, pragma. And so to do that, we're simply going to remove packages, and I'll give it pragma and run it, and it's removing the package, and now that's gone. And later on, if I find that I need that package or I need it for the very first time, it's simply a matter of install packages. And if it's a standard package that's known to the R repository, I just name the package, pragma, and press enter. And it gets installed. And then we check to make sure we didn't receive any errors, and we're good to go. That's it. I hope you find that useful.